Hey yo XO family, it's your boy Jalen's XO, and today I'm about to give you guys a back to school haul.
Rather than Maybach, I know I'm not rushing. I just told Sosa that she is the boss.
I specifically did not wear any of this stuff besides my Yeezy slides today to school just so I can make this video. Already mentioned it. The first item on this list is my Yeezy slides. I paid $200 for them. They're very comfortable. I do not regret this purchase because they were very worth the money. Very comfortable, like I said. They're a size 13, which is actually a size under my actual size, but it worked because I have skinny feet. Those are my Yeezy slides. This helps me out in school in no way, but I thought since I collect action figures, why not pick it up? I'm starting a mini collection to just get stuff that I had as a kid and stuff that I think is cool for my future room. I bought a Nightwolf. Nightwolf was one of my favorite characters in Mortal Kombat, and I thought he should be in my collection. So I bought a Nightwolf and I don't regret it. He was about $25, I think. I do believe so. I have Shao Kahn and Sub-Zero upstairs, so he will be hanging up on my wall. I just have to figure out where to put him. But yeah, Nightwolf. My girlfriend gave me this tee. She didn't want it, so I told her I'll take it. I think it's a really cool t-shirt, just like a regular tee. And I don't have white clothes, but I'm gonna change into this, so I'm gonna finish the rest of the video in this tee. I bought 2 pairs of carpenter pants, blue ones, and I also bought some brown ones. If you guys know the way I dress, I do like to wear a lot of earth tone colors, as you can see from the Yeezy slides. Yeah, I don't own a pair of carpenter pants, so I was like, you know what? I might as well just get a pair. I thought they looked cool. I like the design of them, so I just got me a little pair, you know? This is the brown pair, by the way. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but I know I'm gonna do something with them because they're brown. There's no way you can go wrong. As I said before, I'm heavily into earth tone stuff, and you see this little box over here, but I'm gonna save this for last. But before that, you know I had to get the sweatpants, man. Boom, little gray Nike sweats, man. You can't go wrong with the gray Nike. I'm running out of storage, but this last pair, oh my God. I had to get these, man. They reminded me of Rick Owens. I don't know what these are exactly, but they remind me of Rick. So I know when I have black socks on, these are gonna go crazy. Yeah, this is my last cop. Man, I really like these sneakers. These are really cool. You will see me style these one day. These are basically Rick Owens sneakers. Like, look at this shit. I'm gonna put this here and I'm gonna put a Rick Owens right here.
Run down to the fit, man. Got the Vivienne Westwood earrings, a chain that my girlfriend gave me. I got this shirt from Boscov's for like $5, I think. I got this flannel from my dad. These are my little brother's cargo shorts. They actually feel very comfortable. My Yeezy slides and some black Nike socks, and also some rings that my friend bought for me. Yeah, that's the whole fitty, man. Full-time fitty. Sheesh.
Right now we got my boy Fam about to flip him around. I always get mad compliments on this book bag. This is my senior yearbook bag, and I'm going to use it again for college. So I just feel like the little fin doesn't match the fit as well. The Jake's not going to match either, but at least it's going to look a little bit better than the fin bag. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, let me speed this shit up for y'all. Jake, How can I forget the smell goods, bro? Gotta put some of this shit on, you know what I'm saying? First day of school, I gotta be smelling bright, you know what I'm saying? So right now, I'm about to go get me some food and probably some coffee, man, because I'm a little tired. And then I'm gonna go I'm like 2 hours early because I don't know where shit is at, bruh. I'm like so behind when it comes to school shit. So like, about to go fill my tank up, get some food, and yeah, I'll see you at the gas station, I guess. At $45, 47, 48. I'm thinking it's gonna stop around like 55, 60 maybe. I lied, hold on. Don't get older, kids. It came out to $57, I was close. But now we're at Chick-fil-A. It's dead ass nobody here, which is crazy. I thought you would think today was Sunday, but I'm about to get my food and my car sounds terrible, bro. But yeah, I ordered a chicken biscuit because I always get chicken minis. I'm tired of that shit, bro. Got my food. GLNXO. And yeah, school is 16 minutes away, so it's not that bad. But I know this shit about to eat the hell out of my gas, you know what I'm saying? I don't mean to curse so much. Sorry for my younger viewers. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to the campus. All right, boys, we made it. All right, y'all, so I found my building. My class doesn't start for another hour, but I did get fucking lost, so yeah. Man, look at my son, man. Nigga said he was cold. Look at my son. Of course I'm vlogging the first day. Yeah, we got a YouTube on our hands, man. All right, y'all boys. So the first day of school was ass. I'm not gonna lie. I had one class. I went to my second class, sat in there for 2 hours and 45 minutes, and my teacher did not show up. So a lot of the kids left before it was time, like before anyone had dismissed the class, so they didn't get accounted for in attendance. I don't know how attendance works at college. I don't know if they give a fuck or not, but I know I was accounted for, and I was one of the like 12 kids that did not leave the classroom. Kids, it was like 40-year-olds in there, but you guys know what I mean. Right now we're on our way to the pet store to go get our gecko. I don't have a name for him, so if you guys want to name our geck, let me know. All right, YouTube, I'm about to go home. I'm driving down the street. Sorry, my car's a mess. We secured the little dude, man. He's chilling right there. We're gonna set his tank up. Alrighty, I just set my boy's tank up. I think I'm gonna name him Leafy. I don't know yet, but there's my boy, girl, and that's the enclosure. And yeah.